Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15 and in this video I will show you how to toggle USB Powershare on this laptop. To do this, you'll have to open BIOS menu. To open the BIOS menu, press the power button once to turn on your PC, and then after you press it, start clicking F2 button repeatedly until BIOS menu appears on your screen. Go into Advanced section by clicking the right arrow key, and then using top and bottom arrow keys, select USB Powershare. To switch the value from enabled to disabled, press enter, and then using top and bottom arrow keys you can choose the value that you want. Now to save changes and exit, press F10 and enter. To discard changes and exit, press escape and enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.